Thanks for calling Autel.
Good afternoon, it's Freddie with Autel.
Thanks for calling Autel. How can I help you? And what's the address that we're going to be sending?
Hi, I'm Sean with Autel. Welcome back to OnCall, our ongoing series where we introduce you to tech support and what's going on in their world. Today, I'm happy to introduce James.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely, thanks for joining us. So, real easy stuff to start. How long have you been with Autel and what's your position?
Currently with Autel about 4.5 years, and I am the key programming lead for the tech support team.
Okay, now correct me if I'm wrong, 4.5 years, that's about as long as we've had key programming products.
From the very start, I'm the first considered tech support for the team.
Okay, so we're going to call you expert. I think that's a better title.
Me, and I think I can retain that for my team as well. My team is also experts.
Excellent. So tell me what's going on with your team. What's a hot topic nowadays?
The hottest topic we get is European vehicles. Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Volkswagen. They can be a little tricky when you do all keys lost. So our customers call us in for the first time and they want to know, hey, can you walk me through the process, help me out, get to it. We'll be more than happy to do it for them.
Of course, because we all know in a shop environment, time is money. Is there a secret? Is there one universal thing that helps them save the time?
Funny that you asked. It's like the secret sauce that we have here. It's the G-Box 2, and that's used for Mercedes-Benz and BMW. Can help them get the passcode. It's about 90 minutes is the highest, but lowest is about 10 or 15.
Wow. Yeah. So that is a time saver.
Time saver, and it's automated. It's automatic. So you set this up, the mechanic, locksmith, whoever they're doing can go move on to the next job, come back, passcode will be on the screen.
I think that's an excellent thing to get out there. So how do we get in touch with you? That's always very important.
Well, that's a great question. You can contact me or my team at 1-855-288-3587 and dial option 6 for tech support.
Okay, and make sure you guys check at the end of the video a YouTube link to our library. We have a lot of how-to videos there, and actually we have a number that you actually did for us on how to use these tools and how to operate them.
And I highly recommend looking at them. Trust me, it'll save you a lot of time.
Perfect. Well, thanks for joining us. We'll certainly have you back again. And make sure you guys join us again on our next episode of OnCall, where we bring more tech support people from behind the phones to in front of the camera.